You might think you are familiar with the GMC all-terrain Sierra. Let me introduce you to the new 2019 GMC Sierra AT4. My name's John Ambrosic, salesman at Smail GMC. Let's get started. All right, guys, we're gonna do a quick walk around, show you what's new on the new Sierra AT4. Right off the bat, the new 2018s you're gonna see have new GMC C-shaped headlights. You also have your fog lights right here on the top. Something that GMC did with the new trucks here is the older trucks, you had a pretty low air dam around here across the front of the truck, which kind of diverted air around the front wheels to give you a better gas mileage. On the new models, what GMC did is these are actually functional louvers right here. So it brings the air in, and if you kind of look around the side here, you have your louvers right here, which then deflect the air around the wheel, so you don't have that big air dam in the front anymore, kind of hindering your ground clearance in the front. Coming around to the front on the AT4 specific, we have body color surround for the grille, and you're going to have your black chrome grille itself. This one here, another big thing with the AT4, the red recovery hooks. You're going to see those. The AT4 is also going to give you body colored bumpers front and rear. This one is actually equipped with body colored wheel well surrounds. Typically that's going to be black plastic. This one here, you can actually opt for body colored, so they will be painted. New 20-inch wheels on this one. Got a nice aggressive tire with this. Down the side here, you see the new AT4 badging. New style running boards on this one. As well as all the other Sierras, you're going to have your buttons on the door handles for your passive entry. Bigger cab, another nice thing. This one here is an SLT, so it's going to give you, when you come around the back, it's going to give you GMC's multi-function tailgate. So you can actually just hit the top button here. This is going to flip down here, give you a nice work surface if you need to. If you're doing any two-tier loading in the bed, you can actually flip this up. This is a tailgate stop. Keep anything on that second tier from sliding out. You have your button here for your normal access to the bed. You can get in and out of there. Push this here, release this. This actually gives you a little bit better access to the bed. Get a little bit closer, loading and unloading. You can then open this back up. That is a step. You got a handle here on the side. You can use this. Step up into the bed. Makes it a lot easier for you. This step will actually hold 375 pounds. You can use that as a step. You can also use it as a seating surface if you were maybe working on the truck, working outside, changing your boots, or you just wanted to sit down and take a break. You can actually use that for that also. Along the back here, you're going to see on the SLTs, the integrated dual exhaust tips coming out of the back there. Another thing GMC did on the new 2019 Sierras, this step in the corners of the bumper, they actually made that a little bit bigger. They were having problems with people that were using the old ones with work boots, and I guess they were saying that they were having a hard time actually getting their boots into there. So GMC made that bigger, easier to get your foot in and out of. This one also comes with rear sliding window. This one is also equipped with the 6.2. Standard engine in this is going to be a 5.3. This one is equipped with a 6.2. Also equipped with a catback exhaust system. This one also is going to give you the trailering package, which is going to give you trailering mirrors. Adds a couple cameras underneath of each side view mirror. You have cameras in the back. It's a really nice feature if you're towing. But the biggest thing with the AT4s over the old all-terrains, this actually comes equipped with a factory 2-inch lift. Gives you a little bit of height. Very nice. Anything ever goes wrong with the suspension or anything like that, covered 100% by the factory. So that's a big plus there for people who like to put lifts on their trucks. Let's take a look real quick in the interior. This one here is going to come with the AT4 specific interior for the SLT, which is going to give you the black interior with the Kalahari accents. This one also is going to give you the wireless charging, which is part of the AT4 package. It's going to give you universal home remotes. You have a sliding power rear window, navigation, Bose Premium sound, wireless charging, front and rear park assist. It's going to give you lane change alert with side blind zone, heated steering wheel controls, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, the 8-inch display. One of the big things here for the 2019 that GMC did is they actually made the back cab bigger than previously. This one here has the integrated storage compartment underneath here for the SLT. The other thing that this adds is the outboard seats in the rear are now heated. So you actually have some vents there on the back of the console. Right above here, you have your buttons for your rear heated seats. It's also going to give you a 12-volt charger back there, along with a USB and a USB-C charger. Let's get this thing on the road. Start this up. This one here is equipped, like I said earlier, with the 6.2 liter V8. The 5.3 is the standard engine. This is the upgrade. This one is also equipped with the catback exhaust system that you can get order on the vehicle, or you can add it afterwards, which again is going to be covered under factory warranty. Another nice feature about this has the towing cameras. What that's going to do is you're going to see right off the bat, you're going to put it into drive. This is using the cameras that are under the side view mirror, so you're seeing down both sides, front wheels. As you turn and move, that camera is showing you where exactly you're at pulling out. You shift into reverse, you've got your camera angles right here. So this is going to be your normal backup camera. You can hit this one here. It gives you a little bit of a wider view, so you can kind of see a little bit more if you're towing something. This button right here, you're going to pick that. This is basically showing you from the back of the truck here. You can see the bed. As you turn the lines here, this is going to show you, this yellow line on the side is going to show you where the front corner of the truck is swinging as you're backing up. This one right here is going to show you a straight down angle view of your trailer hitch. So that's going to come out right there. So that's nice for loading and unloading the trailer, more for loading. This one right here is a nice feature. So that you can actually purchase a camera to put on the back of your trailer. So if you have a bigger trailer that blocks your view more or less out the back window, you can actually purchase a camera to put on the rear of the trailer itself. This camera angle right here is going to show you down both sides towards the back of the trailer. You're going to see down here at the bottom, you have your trailer. So you can actually pick this, which would then switch back to that trailer, the camera that's on the back of the trailer, or you can hit this one, which is going to give you both views. So you can see down both sides. The rear, what's behind the trailer, would be right there in the center, which is a nice thing because, again, if you have a box trailer, something that's blocking that view, it can make it very difficult to see what is exactly behind you. This one here is going to show you that front curb view. And this one right here, you can basically, it's just going to give you a couple different views. This here is your backup. So when you have the truck in reverse, there's going to be no lines at all. This is your park assist. And then you have your assist button right there for towing, which is going to line you up with your trailer. So very nice features, very functional features on this that, again, kind of give you some different options and make it a lot easier if you were actually trailering something. If you have seen our previous videos, we've already done a video ride along on the all new Sierra. The major differences between that one and this one are going to be the AT4 package. Again, the AT4 is going to give you that factory 2-inch lift, and that's going to be the biggest difference. So if you've ever, if you're familiar with driving trucks with lifts, it's basically what you're going to get. The ride is going to be a little bit harsher. It's not your typical ride that you're going to get from, just your regular SLT or your Denali. It's a little bit rougher ride, but I mean, that's to be expected with the lift and you know, a little bit more aggressive wheels and tires. Those are basically the biggest things. Again, this one here is an SLT equipped with the 6.2, equipped with the cat back exhaust. You know, that's going to be a little bit different too than the typical exhaust that you're going to get on your SLT or your Denali. But again, that cat back exhaust is available to be added on to both of those trucks. You know, again, that's the ride, and honestly, for having a factory lift, or for having a lift period, truck is very, very well mannered. It's still, you know, a very, very nice ride. I've ridden in some trucks that have lifts that can be a little bit more harsh than others. This one's a pretty smooth ride, and again, for as aggressive as the tires are, you don't get a lot of road noise, which is a big plus. You get the trucks that, you know, you put a lift on them, you put a little bit more aggressive tire on it, you start going down the road and you start hearing just that road noise from the tires. And it can sometimes, I mean, as long as you have the radio on, it's not horrible, but it can be a little unpleasant at times. This here, no radio on, not really getting any noise at all from the tires. And again, feels very confident. Again, you start getting the trucks lifted up a little bit higher, you get a little bit more body roll. You know, it kind of affect the way that you drive the truck, make you a little bit more unsure. But this, you know, handles very well, has a nice stance, does give you that nice aggressive lifted look to it without being overly high. So it makes it a lot easier getting in and out of than, say, something with a 6-inch lift. Another thing that you can get on this one that comes with it, wireless cell phone charger. Just put your phone right in there, pops right up. Very quick. It's the new generation of the charger, which actually pairs up fairly quickly as opposed to the previous ones. One of the other big things about the AT4, if you're familiar at all with the all-terrain Sierras previously, the all-terrains, you could only get those equipped with heated front seats. The new AT4 comes in the SLT. You can get it with heated and ventilated front seats. So again, that was previously unavailable on the all-terrains. It was only heated. These ones here, you can actually get both ways. If you guys are looking to buy a truck, come on down to Smail. We try to treat everybody like they've been customers here for years. You get a lot of nice things. Free state inspection for the lifetime of the time that you own the vehicle. Shuttle service around the Greensburg area. You have courtesy vehicles if you need to leave your vehicle for any period of time. You know, we try to go out of our way to accommodate our customers. All right, guys, so that was our ride along on the all-new GMC Sierra AT4. Hopefully you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you have any further questions, you can leave comments in the space below. We love hearing from you guys. If you want to see the truck in person, take it for a test drive, come on out and see me, John Ambrosic, at Smail GMC, right off of Route 30 in Greensburg, or you can check us out online at smailgmc.com.